I saw from me doing multiple tests throughout the video, but let me just show you guys again. Completely 100% glueless. Scratch next. YouTube, it's your girl Kiannamoracia. If you are new here, then welcome. If you are not new here, then welcome back. Today we have another wig from my Glueless wig series. You guys know I'm trying to find the best affordable and best high quality wig finds for you that are also glueless. Today we have a wig from the company DYHAIR777. Now this is a company that I had never heard of until they reached out to me, and I was so shocked because I'm like, yo, this wig is gorgeous. They sent me a 5x5 HD lace glueless kinky straight wig. It is 20 inches and 200% density. They also sent me a card with some hair care tips for beginners, as well as their contact information, and last but not least, a clip for you to put in the hair. We're getting to the fun part, which is unboxing the wig. Fresh out the package, you can see that this wig is pre-plucked. When I tell you they did a great job with the pre-plucked hairline, they actually pluck better than I do, because this was the most natural plucking that I had ever seen. I will give them props for that. I don't know how to pluck like that yet. It also came with the elastic band to make sure the wig is glueless. The elastic band is adjustable and removable. And like I said before, this is HD Swiss lace. You can tell by the frayed ends and how thin the lace is. So first thing that I'm going to do is just bleach the wig and then wash that out, because I did not put any product during this install. All I did was put foundation on the lace and then, you know, literally just hot combed it back with my wax stick. I didn't put any product or glued it down with anything. So bleaching the knots was like a key part for me. The knots were extremely small, so I didn't think bleaching them was going to be an issue. It actually didn't turn out to be an issue. I'm using my same bleaching routine with BW2 and some 40 volume developer like I usually do. Left that on for about 30 minutes, and then after I was done, I just rinsed it out. After those 30 minutes were up, the hair was processing. You could tell there's no knots left. Just look at how that looks. But there isn't that orange brassy look either. So I did go ahead and still use my purple shampoo, because I always do that just to give the most natural look. I leave it on like a mask for about 10 minutes. So I washed it over the lace. I didn't scrub it in too much. I kind of just coated it over it. And then this is what it looks like when the hair is all done. Knots are perfectly toned, and look at that hairline. You don't see a single knot in sight. Yup. Random eyeshadow palette, because I haven't had the time to buy any powder foundation, but I have noticed powder foundation does work better for me when it comes to the glueless wigs. It does depend on the lace and the company though. Some lace is different than others. It just depends, but for like HD lace, I noticed powder foundation works way better. So I took that, a color that matched my skin tone, and I put it on there, and then afterwards I went ahead and used my contour shade over it. But there was like a little powdery cast of the hair from the like eyeshadow. So what I did was I just took it on a cotton pad and I wiped it off, and after that it looked perfectly fine. There was no more cast. We good to go. Seen that I literally ripped my ball cap by accident, but we're not gonna focus on that, because we're still gonna melt this wig. And yeah, so I'm adjusting the elastic band to the back of my head to make sure everything is secure. I'm also making sure it's not squeezing my ears. I don't know why I forgot to cut the tag off. I even washed the wig with the tag still on there, but just look at how natural that looks. If I covered the front, you would not be able to tell that I have on a wig. So first things first, well, I already popped it off, but first things first, we're gonna cut that little tag off because it's just sticking out and it looks kind of awkward. Next, we're gonna cut the lace. I did get some new scissors. I finally got my scissors back, and I got some hair cutting scissors too. So I'm cutting the lace in a zigzag motion. It is disappearing as I'm cutting, because this is truly HD lace. I was so happy about the results with this lace. Half of getting a good wig install is also due to the lace. So after I cut it, you can't see that all. We're gonna do the same thing to the next side. And I put my rat tail comb underneath so you guys could really see. So after we did that, I am taking my contour shade and I'm just pressing that over the hairline. Any points where it looks a little bit white, like that tab that always comes on closure wigs, that always ends up white for me because I never put foundation there. So I always go over it with my contour shade, and then now I'm adjusting the wig to see where I would want it. Using my L'Oreal Sleek It Heat Protectant Spray before I go in with anything, because I am going to lightly flat iron it, but At first, I'm gonna just focus on the front. So while this heat protectant is drying, I'm actually gonna take my wax stick and really lay down the front. I'm using my She Is Bomb wax stick. This is generally the wax stick that I'll use if I don't use the one that I got from Temu. And I'm just slicking down wherever I want it to be slicked down, and I'm gonna use my hot comb to go over that. So I'm taking my hot comb and I'm pressing it into the lace. I'm making sure not to burn my skin in the process since the wig isn't on my head. It is lifting up right now, but we're not focused on that. I'll fix it at the end. Right now we're just focused on getting it to lay flat. Also, another thing, this hair took heat so well. It looks sleek at the top. You see how it looks at the roots? Like, it's really just nice, and I don't know how to explain it. The shine, everything. I absolutely loved the quality of this hair. They are having a sale on their website right now, as well as a summer sale where you can get one wig. If you buy one, you get one free on certain wigs. So make sure you go check them out in the description box. But we're not done with the install, so we're going to get right back to it. After I feel like everything has laid properly, I'm doing the exact same thing on the other side. I'm also making sure to give kind of like that natural effect. I don't want it to be too flat at the front because then it won't frame my face. So I'm kind of steering away from the front with the hot comb, but it looks real flat after I did everything right here. Last but not least, I'm going to take my Babyliss Nano Titanium Flat Iron to kind of tame this 200% density wig, and we are all finished. Okay, it is finally time to say what I think about this wig, y'all. Oh, my eyelash keeps lifting up, but y'all, this wig is 200% density. 200% density. This is a thick and full wig. I saw from me doing multiple tests throughout the video, but let me just show you guys again. Completely 100% glueless. So afterwards, you just comb it over and fix it however you were gonna fix it before you lifted it up. I feel like this wig is just perfect to throw on. You don't have to do anything to it at all except put it on your head, and that is literally it. This wig is from the company DYHAIR777. They sent me this gorgeous 5x5 HD lace. As you guys saw from me doing everything possible in the video, this lace is chef's kiss. 200% density, and it is 20 inches. The wig catches me like in the middle of my stomach, I would say, when I'm sitting down. When I'm standing up, right underneath my bust. I am 5'2" for reference. This is 20 inches. It does come pre-plucked. Y'all saw that I did not pluck this hairline at all. This is one of the best pre-plucked wigs that I've ever gotten. Like, this came plucked. And it's not like that forky, you know, when they say it's pre-plucked, it is not actually pre-plucked. No, this wig actually came pre-plucked. I was so excited when I saw that hairline. Y'all heard me in the beginning. I was excited. I'm like, yes, a pre-plucked wig. Now, I went ahead and bleached the knots some more. They did come a tad bit bleached, but they weren't fully to my liking, so I went in and just did what I had to do. Some people don't bleach the knots on their wig. I'm very picky about the knots on my wig, so I'll always bleach them. But this is what the knots are looking like. As you can see, there are none. You can't even see the knots in this install. The texture is, of course, kinky straight, and it is virgin human hair. The wig does come with comb attachments on the inside, as well as an adjustable elastic band to make sure it is not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere. It's not gonna slide off your head. None of that. It is perfect to just put on and go. Make sure you check out more from DYHAIR777. They are a smaller company, but I really love the quality of this wig. I feel like the smaller companies are like coming through real hot. So make sure you go check them out, as well as follow their social media. They have tons of different textures, as well as other HD lace wigs that are this exact quality. It is amazing. If you want to get $10 off your next order, use the code KN23. That is KN23. For any order over $50, you will save $10 using my coupon. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as tell me what more you want to see on this channel, because I've been doing a lot of glueless wigs. So let me know if y'all want to keep seeing them. I love you. Bye.